Hi guys, good evening from here. My name is Gabriel Joseph, and right by my left we have Mr. Nathan Francis, one of the ambassador of Black Card Coin, and by my left also.
Hi guys, good evening. My name is Williams. You are welcome and thank you for watching us.
Thank you very much. Mr. Nathan Francis, you are welcome once again.
Thank you, Mr. Gabriel.
So, Mr. Nathan Francis, can you throw more light on what is Black Card Coin?
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Gabriel, and thank you very much, Mr. Williams. I'm so happy to be in this session of the interview. Well, I want to appreciate this moment. People have been asking me, what is Black Card Coin all about. I think this is the best avenue for them to learn about Black Card Coin. Black Card Coin is a cryptocurrency that offers a reward system, and it is also traded in different cryptocurrency exchanges. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Nathan Francis.
Yeah, Mr. Williams.
Welcome once again.
Thank you, sir.
So, for the sake of the viewers,
All right.
I would like to ask you one more question.
Okay.
I would like to know if you have a Black Card Coin in your hand, how would you utilize it, and how would you make profit from it?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Williams, for giving me that beautiful question. Black Card Coin, I see Black Card Coin as an opportunity for me and also people out there investing in Black Card Coin. I would say that if I have Black Card Coin, unlimited Black Card Coin in my account or in my wallet or at hand, I will make sure that I utilize it effectively. I have so many business ideas that if I have Black Card Coin, I can venture into, and it will give me more profit in return. For instance, if I have Black Card Coin and then I invest Black Card Coin in a real estate business, I will have huge return. And I can also make sure that if I have Black Card Coin, I can use it to buy the best properties so far that I've been dreaming of. I'm one person that loves luxury, and I will make sure that if I get Black Card Coin, I must get that my dream car, and
Definitely.
yes, and also live my quality lifestyle. Yes, I build my best house if I have Black Card Coin. But the major thing is investments. If I have it, I invest Black Card Coin in real estate business. Thank you very much.
Wow, that's amazing. I think I need to engage in Black Card Coin.
Yeah, definitely.
Even me, I need to.
Definitely.
So, Mr. Nathan,
Yeah.
the Black Coin you are talking about, which token are they? Which blockchain are they built on?
Yeah, very nice question there. Black Card Coin, which is known, their token is known as Bitcoin, and it is being listed. It's built on Ethereum blockchain.
Wow, great.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Nathan.
Yeah, Mr. Williams.
So, I don't know, for the sake of viewers, do you have any website or app that the viewers who are watching you now can reach out, or is there any
website?
Any website? Thank you. Any website, so that the viewers who are watching can have pre-knowledge and log on to the website and
to validate whatever information I'm giving them.
Yes.
Yeah. Black Card Coin is not a scam project. It's a very legit project, and it's a project that has been for years. I think Black Card Coin vividly was created in 2014. So at this point, I'm so convinced and to tell you that Black Card Coin is so legit. So if you want to get information about Black Card Coin and you are not satisfied with the information I'm giving out here, you can log on to their official website www.blackcardcoin.com, and you can also follow them on their official social media handle like Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter, that is Black Card Coin, and you can also follow them on their Telegram group to get information there, and Instagram and Facebook. Thank you very much.
Let's not forget Mr. Nathan.
Yeah.
Black Card Coin, is their token listed?
Yes, their token is quite listed. Their token is quite listed, and you can find Black Card Coin on Next, and Black Card Coin is still projecting on listing their token on Binance. And also, if you want to get their market cap, you can go on Coin Market Cap.
Okay,
to study their, you can go there to figure out their volatility.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
That's good. That's good.
Thank you very much.
So viewers, you have heard from our guest,
Yeah,
who
thank
is
you.
here on Studio Live in the person of Mr. Nathan, the ambassador of Black Card Coin. So I would like you to follow the link and the app which he has earlier said, so that you can have a pre-knowledge of what Black Card Coin is all about. So Mr. Nathan, it was nice having
Thank
you
you
here
so
with
much.
us.
Thank you
You're
so much,
welcome.
Mr. Williams.
Thank you for.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Mr.
for having
Gabriel.
us.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.